Hey you guys, it's your girl Chanel, and today I am here with another recipe. Today I am making smothered turkey wings. As you guys know, the holidays are approaching, and I am going to give you guys a recipe that you can do in your house instead of making a whole turkey. So, hope you guys love this recipe. I'm pretty sure you will. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and also please like this video. Okay, so let's jump straight into the seasoning. This is the seasoning that I'll be using. I'll make sure to leave it in the description below. On the right hand side is the seasoning that doesn't have any salt, and on the left hand side is the seasoning that has like the salt, the sodium. So I'm going to be heavy handed with the right hand side and light handed with the left. So for this recipe I have 4 full turkey wings. So I have 4 wings that I decided to cut up into 2 pieces. So in total I have 8 pieces. I'm going to place some olive oil on the wings, and then I'm going to go into it with my seasoning. I am now seasoning it with onion powder. Now I'm using garlic powder. I am now using oregano. I'm then going to go in with the Mrs.Dash, onion and herb. And once again, you guys, I'm going to list all this in the description box, so you don't have to worry. After I go in with the Mrs.Dash, I'm going to do paprika. I'm then going to go in with my Lawry's seasoning salt, Montreal Chicken seasoning, and then my magic seasoning blend. You're then going to mix everything up, and you're going to mix this up really well. So wash your hands before and after. But you want to mix everything well so that the seasoning gets on the turkey evenly. Cooking turkey is a little bit different than cooking chicken just because it's more meat. So basically you just want to make sure you get this seasoning on this turkey really well so you can have some really good turkey wings. You're now going to place 4 tablespoons of butter into your dish. So I'm going to just place 1 on each side, 1 at the top, and then 1 in the middle. After you place your butter down, you're then going to place your onions into the pan. So I cut up about 2 medium onions. So you can do 1 large onion, yellow onion, or you can do 2 medium onions. I like to do a lot of onions because the onions is what's going to really give this turkey its flavor. We are now going to pour a half a cup of water into this pan. And once we do that, we're then going to cover it really tightly. And we are going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes at first. So after the first 45 minutes, your chicken should look like this, and what you're going to do is just flip it over. So you're going to flip each piece over, and once you do that, you're going to place the aluminum foil back on the pan, and you're going to place it back in the oven for another 45 minutes. This is what your chicken should look like after you have done 45 minutes on each side. You're just going to place the gravy throughout the chicken, turn it over again, and it's going to go in for another 30 minutes. So with turkey wings, to get the meat to fall off the bone and to get it to be tender, it does require a lot of baking. So we're going to do 30 more minutes. After the 30 minutes in the oven, we're now going to take it out. As you guys can see, this pan is hot. This aluminum foil is hot. I know you guys see me struggling trying to open it. But we're basically going to remove all of the chicken from the pan. so that we can gather all of this beautiful, lovely broth, this flavor, which tastes amazing. We need all of this to make our gravy. So for the gravy, I am putting aside about a cup and a third, so 1 cup, 1/3. If you don't have this much gravy, like if your turkey wings did not produce this much gravy, you can also use turkey stock or chicken broth. Actually, I think chicken broth would probably be the best. You can use that to make your gravy if you don't have enough gravy if you don't have enough juices from the pan. I'm also going to leave some of the juices left in the pan. You guys will see why really soon, but I'm going to leave some left over in the pan. We're now going to make our gravy. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and we're going to melt that down. I'm so sorry that my hand is in the video. I didn't notice it while I was recording. So once your butter has melted down, you're then going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I did about 4 tablespoons because I have a lot of juice left from the turkey, but you can definitely do 3 and I think it'll be just fine. So once you mix that all together, you're then going to add the juice from the turkey. And you're just going to add it little by little. So you're not going to just dump it all in there. You're going to add it little by little and stir it up. Once you do that, and you just want to get it to like this thick, consistent, and yeah, you just want to basically get it like this. And then once it's like this, you're then going to do the same thing with the water. You're going to add it in slowly. So I'm adding about 1 cup of water or a little bit over a cup. You just have to basically, to make the gravy, eyeball it and taste it. You'll know what it needs, what it doesn't, based upon you tasting it. If it needs more water, if it doesn't, if it's too thick, add more of the juicing. If not, add a little bit more water. But I like my gravy like this, so this works for me. And I also have some of the juicing left in the pan, so I'm going to mix this gravy with the juicing in the pan. So it's all going to mix together and it's just going to be so delicious. We are now going to place the chicken back into the pan, and once we do that, we are going to get our gravy and we're going to just coat the top of the chicken with the gravy. We're going to mix it really, really well, and once you mix everything really, really well, so you just want to make sure you get the gravy mixed up with the juices on the bottom of the pan. Once you do that, you're then going to place it in the oven, still at 400 degrees. You're going to place it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And then the last and final step of the turkey wings, you're going to place it on broil for about 5 to 6 or 7 minutes. It really depends on your broil. It really depends on your oven and how it broils. I definitely recommend to literally watch this chicken as it's broiling. I don't want you to burn it and then blame it on me. So when you're broiling it for the 5, 6, 7 minutes, have your eyes on it so you can see what's happening. And then your turkey comes out like this. I can't believe I just said chicken. But your turkey comes out like this, and it looks phenomenal. The color looks phenomenal. It's gonna fall off the bones. I wish I would have showed you guys with a fork, but I was trying to get a nice video, and I was trying to show you how cute it looks. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit the like button. I will have new videos dropping every Sunday for cooking. So on Sundays is my cooking day. I'm going to stick to that schedule. I will drop my food specials on Sunday. And then on the weekday, you can just check out all my other type of vlogging videos and hair tutorials, all of that other stuff on Wednesdays. But Sunday will be my food day. Thanks for watching.